The second meaning of the word Rabb is what you all mentioned, the Lord, the Master, the King. In Arabic, in the Arabic language, the Arabs, they used to call the master a Rabb. Now if I say master, that implies something. If I tell you master, if I tell you teacher, who's on the other side of the table? Student. If I tell you chef, who's on the other side of the table? Customer. If I tell you master, who's on the other side of the table? The slave. And in the Quran, the word Rabb is very often paired with the word Abd. Who can give me one example? The first commandment in the Quran, in order. The first time Allah tells us to do something in the Quran. Surah Al-Baqarah. Not aqimus salah. Before that. Huffaz. Ya ayyuhan nasu ubud. Ya ayyuhan nasu ubudu rabbakum. People, make yourselves in service to your master. اعبدوا ربكم الذي خلقكم والذين من قبلكم لعلكم تتقون. Make yourselves in service to your master who created you and those before you so that you may become God-fearing. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala very frequently in the Quran, He combines His name Ar-Rabb with your name Al-Abd. And we're going to come to that and what that means in a moment. So now you know there's two meanings for the word Rabb. And let us look at the first meaning. Al-Murabbi, the one who looks after all the needs, manages everything. A child doesn't have to cook. A child doesn't have to clean. A child doesn't have to clean themselves. Their parents do everything for them. Now in our lives, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is our Murabbi ultimately. He looks after everything in our life. He manages the laws of physics. Why isn't the ceiling falling on us right now? Why is it being held up? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He created rules and laws to govern this universe. He's looking after us. The water cycle, why do we get rain? Who makes the water evaporate, then condense into clouds, then come from the sky in that beautiful manner? Why doesn't the sea just jump on us like a tsunami, like we see in other parts of the world, like it's happening in Pakistan right now? Who makes it happen that way? In that gentle pitter-patter that we hear on the roof. Allah. He looks after us. Who makes us, allows us at night, just when we get tired, He makes the sky go dark so that we can find our eyes can get some rest and our bodies can recover overnight. Who gives us that privilege? Allah. In the Quran, oftentimes when Allah is mentioned as Rabb, He is mentioned as the one who looks after us in so many ways that we don't even realize.